How to maintain your mobile phone. With the rapid development of the era, improvements have been made not just to people's living standards, but also to science and technology. We have increasingly frequent access to a wide variety of electronic products, such as mobile phones. However, it is important to pay attention to maintenance of such items to ensure they can be used safely and effectively. Read on to maximize your phone's potential while maintaining its value. Avoid exposing your mobile phone to too much sun or rain. This is especially important for smartphones with LCD screens. If the phone was immersed in water or used in heavy rain, wipe it dry as soon as possible. Should the phone have gotten seriously wet, it is advisable not to turn it on and not to charge it immediately. This avoids the electrical burn out of internal parts. If your phone has a user-removable battery, remove it. If the battery is not removable, visit a repair shop as soon as possible. Step 1. Clean your phone regularly. Your phone goes everywhere: bathroom, kitchen, pocket, table. It collects dirt like it's its job. What to do? Turn off your phone. This avoids accidental touches and keeps you safe. Use a soft, dry cloth. The same kind used for eyeglasses is perfect. Gently wipe the screen, back, and sides. Clean charging and speaker holes carefully. Use a dry toothbrush or a wooden toothpick. Be gentle. Do not push hard. Just remove visible dust. Important warnings. Do not use water directly on the phone. Do not use alcohol, perfume, or window cleaner. Do not use tissues or rough cloths. Why this matters: dirt blocks sound, charging ports stop working, and germs party on your screen. Step 2. Use a phone case and screen protector. Phones fall. Gravity is undefeated. What to do? Put a phone case on your phone. Any case is better than no case. Rubber or silicone cases absorb shock when the phone falls. Use a screen protector. A thin glass or plastic sheet protects the screen from scratches and cracks. Why this matters: replacing a case equals cheap. Replacing a screen equals expensive and painful. Old wisdom still stands: prevention beats repair. Step 3. Take care of your battery. The battery is the heart of your phone. Abuse it, and the phone ages fast. Good habits. Do not let the battery reach 0% often. Try to charge when it reaches around 20%. Do not always charge to 100%. You can unplug around 80 to 90% when possible. Use the original charger or a trusted one. Cheap chargers can damage the battery or even cause fire. Do not use the phone heavily while charging. Avoid gaming, watching long videos, or hotspot use while charging. Keep the phone cool. Heat kills batteries. Remove the case if the phone feels hot during charging. Why this matters: a well-treated battery lasts years. A mistreated one dies early and costs money. Step 4. Update your phone software. Updates are not decoration. They fix problems. What to do? Open Settings. Look for Software Update or System Update. Tap Check for updates. Install if available, preferably using Wi-Fi. What updates do? Fix security problems. Make the phone faster. Improve battery performance. Add small, useful features. Common fear. Myth. Updates slow phones. Truth. Old phones slow down when updates are ignored, not when installed. Step 5. Clean storage and delete what you don't use. A full phone behaves like a tired brain. What to do? Open Settings. Storage. Check what is using space: apps, videos, photos. Delete apps you don't use, old videos and duplicate photos, large files you forgot about. Backup important photos to Google Photos, iCloud, computer, external memory. Why this matters: more free space equals faster phone, smoother apps, fewer crashes. Digital clutter is still clutter. Step 6. Avoid water, heat, and dust. Some phones say water resistant. That doesn't mean waterproof forever. Avoid leaving phone in the sun. using phone in the bathroom with hot steam, putting phone on sand, dust, or dirty surfaces, charging phone when it's wet. If the phone gets wet, turn it off immediately. Dry the outside with a cloth. Do not charge it. Let it dry for several hours. Rice is optional. Patience is mandatory. Step 7. Restart your phone regularly. Phones are like humans. They need sleep. What to do? Restart your phone once a week. Why this helps? Clears temporary problems. Stops apps running in the background. Improves speed and stability. It's the simplest maintenance step and the most ignored. Final advice. Your phone doesn't need magic. It needs care, patience, and small habits done regularly. Treat it well, and it will. Last longer, work faster, save you repair money. Technology is powerful, but it still obeys basic rules. Respect the tool, and the tool respects you back. Your phone works better when you take good care of it. Small habits make a big difference over time. For more tips and tricks like this, follow our channel and connect with us on our other social media platforms, at BossWeber, at Niyitegeka Bosco, and at Ibikunzwe ICT. Or visit our website, www.bossweber.co.rw for more contents. We offer website and graphics design for affordable prices. We are located in Gisenyi Town, Rubavu District in Rwanda, but we are also available worldwide online. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay connected.